Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video I'm looking at fitting another layer of security to our motorhome. And this is the Milenco heavy duty security lock. I'm going to be fitting it round about here somewhere so that the arm of the lock goes across the latch where the existing door key goes into. So I've got a double layer of security at this area on the habitation door. The box it comes in shows you the orientations that you can have, and this is the actual lock itself. And then you've got a couple of gaskets that double up as templates, the rear door mechanism, and some keys and some screws. That's it. And this is the lock assembled. There are your two bars that thread through, and you also have the two screws that thread through top and bottom, and then you tighten them up and it effectively sandwiches the motorhome. Now this can be locked from both the outside and the inside. You've got a key lock here, and if you're on the inside and you want to secure the door completely, you can turn it down with here, the lock snaps into position and it's locked. And to unlock it and get out, you do that, and again it snaps into that locked position. So this is the gasket and template for mounting the lock. I just need to add that they do actually give you a template for marking out the holes. It's just here. This was in the bottom of the box, and when I pulled the other stuff out, the delivery note and everything, I pulled it out with it and I didn't even notice it was in here, but that probably would have been a bit more useful. Anyway, my error. So look out for this bit and it'll certainly help you. It's got some arrows on it, so you've got your orientation, you can't go far wrong. Then you've got a hole to be drilled at the top and two at the bottom, and one in the center of this circle here, and everything will line up then. So I'm going to position this at the top of that mark. And that should be nicely covering this then. Now the only thing you've got to be careful with when you're drilling these holes is that you keep the drill level and straight. It's no good going like this or like this, because nothing will line up. So this is my initial pilot hole going through there, and that's the initial pilot holes drilled. The only real hole you've got to be careful of is the top one, not drilling it too big. Obviously if you drill it too big, it's going to come outside of the body. That can be slightly oversized, and that. It's just the top one. They could have done with a bit more meat on this edge here, in case you're out of line. One thing to remember here is that there are two screws, and there's one that's shorter than the other, and that goes on the top of the lock, and then it's just a case of assembling it and screwing it all down. And there you go, all secure and sandwiched between the skin of the motorhome. That's locked in position there, and if I want to bring it down and lock it, that seems to work quite well. A little bit fiddly installing it. We'll have a look from the outside. Right, so that's it in a finished position. All you do, close your door, lock your habitation door, At the moment it's locked in the upright position. Bring it down, lock it, and it's done. Very, very simple, but another level of security for your motorhome. So I bought this lock off of Amazon. I bought it myself, and I think it cost about £75. It was one of the more expensive habitation door locks, and I think if you pay a little bit more for this sort of thing, you get a better build quality and a heavier duty piece of equipment. But anyway, it arrived in a couple of days. I'll put a link directly to it in the description for you. But for now, this has just been a quick video really. It turned up, and so I thought I'd film it in case you're thinking of extra security on your habitation door. So for now then, I'll end the video, and thanks for watching. I hope it's been useful to you. Don't forget to subscribe and all that stuff. Any comments, please leave them. I'll try and answer them. So for now, take care, stay safe, and I'll see you on our next video. Bye for now, folks.